Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I am going to show how to add social sharing into your mobile application. First, let's create new application with name Social Sharing App. Then, to add this feature, we have to import API plugin Social Sharing. Let's do it. Plugin has predefined screen, Social Sharing Screen. And to test how it works, let's change the default routing from screen 1 to this new screen, and let's test. This is our application, and here we can see what we can share. So it can be message, it can be subject, it can be link on some resource, it can be link on the image or image in base64 format. And after pressing on share button, we get information which via application our message was shared. Of course, since this is a preview, we didn't make an actual sharing and just get some predefined data. And in order to test this application in real world, let's generate binary build. In my case, it will be Android build. Application is ready, and now we can test how it works on the real mobile phone. Let's press share button. And then we can select application via what we can share our message. So let's select Twitter. Here I see my message, I hear my image, I see the link, so I can of course update everything what I need and press tweet. And under the application label I can see application which what my message was shared. Now let's take a look how this application works. It has only one service, social sharing service, which accepts four parameters: message, subject, URL, and array of files. And response has only one field, the name of the application which was used for sharing our message. The UI also is very simple. For input fields, one data source, and mapping from our input components to request parameters of our service, and response, application name on text field. And the service is invoked by clicking on share button. If you need to add the same service on another screen, for example on screen 1, everything what is needed just to go data tab and select our service, add, and perform mapping, which I did, and that's it. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for your watching.